guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a new sponsor that I've got. I'm really excited to announce this one because it's a big company and they're going to be supplying the ECU for my car, and I have it in this box here. So the sponsor is Haltech, and if you haven't heard of these guys, you probably should. They're an Australian company and they do ECU, and this one actually looks so cool. It's got loads of cool features that I'm going to share with you now. Okay, so let's get straight into this. Very cool looking box. I can't wait to open this. So here we are, and it says on the front, warning, perform enhancing technology inside. There definitely will be. It's going to make my so much better, and we're going to be able to shoot out any problems that we have. So we have the little guide here, and as you might be able to see, there is the actual display. Looks really cool. I can't get over this. It's so cool. But yeah, it's actually nice and light for my car, which is also really good. And I think I might get a bit of satisfying stuff because I've got a little screen protector here that I'm going to take off just for the satisfyingness of doing it. So here we go. And there we have our nice screen. We've got loads of features. I mean, you can see a little light bar at the top here. We can use this for revs. We can use this to flash if there's any warnings. And I saw there's loads of different displays as well, so I can make it look however I want, which is awesome because it's going to make my car look cool and it's going to show me any problems that I'll have. Okay, so also in the box we should have some wires. Yep, they're definitely in these two bits here. So here we are. Let's just open these up. If I can get into them, that is. Right on the end here. So you can actually connect this to your computer or any other sort of device like a Mac. So let's take these wires out here. Nice lanyard. All the sort of screws and stuff to connect it. And also in here are some cool Haltech stickers, which are definitely going to look cool on my car. And then another little keyring, more stickers. And these are the cables that sort of connect it to your computer and all your other devices, so you can get all the information of how your engine's running, how hot it's running, and all that stuff. There's a wire in the bottom of there, but I can't reach it at the minute. So yeah, this is looking really cool. This goes into the back of my ECU, straight down. It's going to be really awesome. I'm going to be able to spot any problems before I blow up my engine. It's going to be good. So anyway, let's go on to the second box. Okay, so onto the second box. This one doesn't look as fancy, but there is so much more in here. So let's get straight into this. And in here is a nice little top here. So I will put that on for you guys. And there we are, nice long sleeves for the British weather. And then we have some mechanics gloves, which look really good and actually feel nice high quality. And then more Haltech stickers, which are absolutely awesome. And it's not a proper unboxing without finding some nice sweets in the box. And then here we have, underneath all this stuff here, another box, which we'll open in a second. And then we have the mount for this other bit here, which is going to sit nicely on there in my car. And then also we have all this wiring, which is actually a load. So yeah, that's going to be really fun to fit. But yeah, anyway, let's go on to this little box here. Okay, so onto this other little box here, which looks really cool. This is the actual ECU, which is the main bit that we need. So let's just open this up. And then here we have, bam, the actual ECU. This is fully waterproof. It's literally going to tell me everything, like everything that I need to know. It's actually packed with loads of different features like data logging and variable cam control, which is really cool, so I can control absolutely everything in my engine. And it's also going to tell me how fast I'm going, how much oil I've got in, and loads of other stuff like that. So you normally have like your speedometer and all that sort of stuff, but instead I've got it all on this little screen here, which is going to be really useful, and I can plug it into my computer and see how the cars run throughout the day and shoot out any problems. Okay, so I'm so excited to be working with Haltech. They're an amazing company, and obviously all the stuff is absolutely amazing. Can't wait to literally be in my car looking down at this thinking I've got all the right equipment that I need and I'm going a million miles an hour into a corner. So anyway, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!